for another video. We got Nina here today, and we're gonna do a pretty simple but super cute style. So that's really all I got to say about it. Let's get started. Okay, so I wet her hair down. I detangled it. I put a little bit of this new Cream of Nature Argan Oil, what does this say? Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. I wanted to try a new product, so I put some of this in. I combed her hair through. I'm going to also be trying this new hair milk today, so I'm just going to put some of that through her hair. And just combing it one more time, and then we're going to get started with the style. Okay, so since we have all that, the first thing we're going to do is make a part on this side of the head. It could be on the other side if you want. You can choose whatever side, but the style is going to end on this side. So just going to be making my part, and I'm starting kind of like going in line with the arch of her eyebrow, just starting right here. Okay, so as you can see, I just parted it from the front. I curved it around to down here, and I'm just going to clip this part up because we're going to be using it last. Okay, so my next part is going to be in the back. We're going to start with a pretty thick part, and I'm just going to take it from that first part I made, this line right here, all the way to the other side, straight across. Okay, so as you can see, I just took it from this first part line I made. It's a pretty thick section here, you guys can tell, and I brought it all the way, and it's just above, it stops just above her ear over here. Now from this section, I'm going to keep your head straight. I'm going to just part it directly in the center, all the way across. Okay, so I parted this section in half, so now we have two pretty similar halves. Now I'm going to start with these, and I'm just going to create probably about 3 box sections. But you're going to start with this first one here, all the way by the ear, and then just put in your ponytail, your rubber band. Okay, so I got my first one in. Now I'm going to go to the part that I made, the other half of this part, and keep that line even, split the hair in half, and put the rubber band in this one. Okay, so I kept the rubber bands lined up. I got my first 2 parts, and I'm going to make my second part on this bottom section here. Now as I put the rubber band in this next section, I'm going to take the top one, the first one I made from the top, and combined it. And then put in my rubber band. Try to keep them lined up with the first one you made. So you can see they're lined up there. Now I'm going to make the second box on the top row and combine this first one on the bottom with it, just crisscrossing. Okay, and there you go. I just crisscrossed it all the way. I have 3 sections here, and I just crisscrossed them to connect to each other. Try to keep them all lined up, even across this way and this way. And now we're going to make our next part. Touch your head back a little. So I just made my next part. I kind of split the rest of the hair in half, so this one and this one's pretty much the same. I just brought it all the way over to the end there, and then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to create 3 parts, crisscross them, and bring it over to here. So I want to keep them lined up, so I'm just going to continue the line that I already made. This first line down here, I'm just going to continue that. And for this, you want to kind of curve it around the head where you're on this side, just so you're not going like straight across and then it end up in the middle of the head up there. You gotta curve it around the head. Okay, so as you can see, I kept the line, but I'm just curving it around. And you want to split that in half and create your first sections, or your first boxes. Okay, so I parted my next sections out, and I'm just going to, again, combine this first box on the top with the second box on the bottom. And the first box on the bottom with the second one on the top. And do that one more time for this row, and then the same thing for the top section. Okay, so as you can see, we just did the same thing for all three big sections here. Tilt your head back. Tilt your head back. There you go. We did it up here. And then we have all these little pieces. So what we're going to do with these, scoot you over, we're going to combine them all and bring them and combine them with this section right here for a side ponytail. So I'm just going to spray it down, comb it out, put a little bit of gel in the hair so it stays, and put in my rubber band. So what I actually decided to do was take the two from each section, the last two, and just twist them around each other. So I'm just going to twist them all the way to the end. So I'll have 3 twists that I'm going to add to this last section down here for the ponytail. So I'm just going to clip those off to the side while I comb out and brush up this section. And there you go. You have the little side ponytail with some twists. Alright guys, well, that is the finished look. I think it came out super cute. I thought of this hairstyle while I was sleeping. I saw something, I think I got inspiration because I saw something on Pinterest, and it was just crisscross like one. And I know she loves her little side ponytails, so I decided to do that all the way into like 3 sections and then into the little side ponytail. But it's really easy. All you gotta do is make your parts, put in your rubber bands, crisscross, and that's it. There's no braiding, nothing hard. It was pretty simple, and I think it came out super cute. So if you like this hairstyle, guys, give us a thumbs up or give us some feedback in the comment section. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you're gonna try it out, and consider subscribing because we love sharing these with you guys. And if you subscribe, you could always see our new videos and know when we post another one if you hit that little notification bell. So that's it for today. We will see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.